some really cool slime. This looks amazing. The thing that makes it really cool, we are making slime with orange soda. Actually, I saw this on my favorite slime channel. We're adding this cool confetti that's so shiny. And we're using some clear glue. Okay, let's get started. So all you need is some clear glue that I got right in my hand. So how much clear glue you put is that orange soda. So it's to be the same amount much as this. Add whatever cool stuff you want. We're adding confetti and make some contact solution to make it all squishy. Now let's get started. I'm so excited. Woo! Feel like it still looks like there's this real water in here. Sounds like a satisfying jump. Oh, please don't explode, please. So guys, I put it a little way too much. Okay, now we'll add the contact solution. When she did on her channel, she used a lot. So let's see. Oh, it's not playing the slime now. Oh, that was a fail. I had used half the bottle. Karina, tell me what I did wrong. You guys, it's not becoming glue. I'm still mixing it. I think I put in too much soda. So we will add some more glue. I'm gonna have white glue. Oh, there. I think it's getting there. Guys, it looks like it. I think we need more glue. Borax. Oh yeah! I think this is a fail. Karina, please tell me what I did wrong.
Hi.
Okay.
I'm gonna add some baking soda and see if that helps.
If you came to prove, there's no reason to prove. Got yourself something funky.
Guys, we tried. But I think we're gonna mark this as a fail. Karina, please tell me what I did wrong. I think we had too much soda. Okay, did they ever try slime with soda before? What did I do wrong? If you guys like this video, give me a big thumbs up. Thumbs up for my dad because I used all this contact solution. And please, Dad, watch this video. And so sorry, please don't kill me. Okay, guys, make sure to leave me a comment. Don't forget to stay a little good. Guys, look at this. I emptied out that whole thing. Look at this. See you later, alligators and crocodiles. Whoop!